How to fix iPhone software update stuck and install now. Let's get started. Sometimes iPhone gets stuck during updates due to network issues, storage space, or software glitches. Let's go through a few easy fixes. First, make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. For that, launch your settings, click on the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router, and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, check your storage. Your update may be stuck because there is not enough storage in your iPhone. So head over to the option of General, click on the option iPhone Storage. Here you're gonna find the list of the apps that are installed in a device. Go ahead and delete or offload the unused apps. Next, restart your phone. For that, you can hit back. A quick restart can clear minor software glitches. Click on Shutdown, you'll get this slider. Slide the icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. With that, your problem might be resolved. Likewise, you can reset network settings. Click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, click on the option Reset. Then select the option Reset Network Settings. Then provide your iPhone's passcode and continue through the process. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is hit back. Click on the option Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version, and that's it. Following these steps, you should be able to fix a stock software update on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.